करिता दुसरा एक क्वेश्चन आपण बघणार आहोत, तो आहे पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन्स. इन्व्हर्स लाप्लास म्हणजे तुम्हाला पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन मेथड वापरून इन्व्हर्स लाप्लास कसा फाइंड करायचा त्याचा क्वेश्चन आपण बघूया. So, first of all, what we do is we defactorize given function a upon s plus 1. Both are linear factors, therefore b upon s plus 2. And we have to factor in a and b. So, 1 is a numerator of left hand side and a, b are numerators on right hand side. So, we cross multiply. A into bracket s plus 2 and here b into bracket s plus 1. You can understand this. Now by comparison method we can get answer. If I take s common, then I am getting a and here b, and remaining things we write 2a plus b. These are constants. Then we compare with left hand side. So yes coefficient is a plus b, but here s is absent, therefore we are at 0. 2a plus b is on right hand side, which is constant, and constant on left hand side is 1. So we are getting two equations, first and second, and we calculate a and b. So directly subtracting first equation from second, second minus first, second minus first, b will cut, 2a minus a becomes a and 1 minus 0, therefore a is equal to 1. If I put a is equal to 1, immediately we are getting b. So b is equal to minus 1, because you can see if b is 1 then b becomes minus 1. At once you get a and b, directly we can calculate inverse Laplace like this. So 1 upon s plus 1 and s plus 2, this comes a inverse into bracket plus a inverse into bracket. A is 1, therefore here we write 1 upon s plus 1 and here b is minus 1, here we write s plus 2. So answer is e raised to minus 2 and here answer is e raised to minus 2. So such a question is asked for 5 marks. Thank you.